Okay, I'm benchmarking the speed of the SD card with two different software to see how they compare. This is the 32 gigabyte Eaget or Eaget card. I don't know how to pronounce it. I will. Oh my god, difficult to make a video and at the same time. Okay, so I will put it here and we'll go to the disks utility, which is a Linux utility. Here it is. I just formatted this. It's just formatted as you can see, NTFS. Okay, I will benchmark this. I just have to format it because the duplication of the microSD card was not successful. It was giving errors. So I will just measure 10 points of 16 megabits size, and I will put my password and let's see what happens. So we're having the under 20 megabytes per second performance, which has been consistent with all the other microSD cards from this company. When they work, they give this speed. Something is not good, as you can see. Stop it in the point 99. Still running, I think. Okay, I think it's finished. 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's finished there. So it's 19.7, 19.1. Read and write access. Okay, now I will take the same card and I will try the software that the company sent to me. I just found the right version, 64 bits. 64 bits version. So it's H, drive H. I will just put that aside, and we will test 16 megabytes files, same size as the other. I will select H. Where is H here? Okay, so let's test. It doesn't allow me to select as well, or it's testing or what? It's taking a long time. Oh, here it is. Read 23 megabits per second, which is more or less the same result as on the other side. And as you can see, take a long time to do it. So the microSD cards are defective, most likely. Now it's preparing sequential read. That would be a little lower than that. I know, it's the same. We're in the read. Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough. And random read. Okay, let's see. It will be even a slower random read. Yeah. Let's continue this. While this is running, I want to show that all these are defective cards. They were not able. They duplicate. Well, this is not. Let's see. They duplicated one 32 gigabyte SD card successfully, but after running once the Raspberry Pi, only once, this is an old one. I purchased this a long time ago. Very good card. This, for that reason, I bought again. So these three cards are defective. I will show you now in a minute. And this 64 that I tried, I duplicated successfully. I tried once in the print system and failed. And when I removed it, it was overheated and broke in the middle. So I will just take these three to show that they are not good. So I will put here. Lena, can you help me, please? Hold, don't lose my hand, please. Don't lose my hand. We will try the first one. Don't lose my hand. And we will go here. So this is what happened. They reduce the size on all of them, and they cannot be formatted again. They're all bad. I cannot format. They are really bad. Even if I can format 2 gigabytes of a card of 32 gigabytes, it's unacceptable. So I cannot even benchmark. I see error, formatting the volume. So all these cards, out of 10, 3. I will. No, not necessarily. Out of, I will put that there. Another one. And another one. All of them bad. Okay, going back to our test of one of the cards that is good. Well, it was not good, but I could reformat the card at least. It's showing 23, which is a higher speed than a little higher in read, and write half of it. A little less, more than half of it. So this is the situation. Out of 10 cards, 3 are bad, that I cannot even format, with one that I was able to format but didn't duplicate correctly, and one out of the 4 64 gigabytes that overheated and broke, and I haven't opened the other 3, so maybe one of the 3 or 2 of the 3 will suffer the same fate as this one. So as you can see, defective products mostly.